So, nakita namin itong viral na ice cream sa TikTok doon sa dairy na binilhan namin ng soft drinks kanina. So, bumili si Mike. Yung isa daw nito is 650, 650 daw yung isa nito. Grabe ang mahal, no? Sa 650 na yan, mga laga, makakabili ka na ng isang tub na ice cream. Look at this, sobrang liit. Pero, since viral ito sa TikTok, titikman natin kung ano nga ba ang lasa nito. So, we have 4 flavors. Ito yung available na flavors sa dairy na binilhan namin. So, we have the peach one. We have the mango. We have the strawberry. Tapos, we have lemon. So, tingnan natin. Tikman natin mga langga kung masarap pa to.
Lemon!
Okay, so, let's try the flavors. Gusto ni baby yung lemon. Tikman muna natin itong lemon na gusto ni baby. We'll try kung masarap ba siya. Is it yummy? Yummy? Do you wanna try? Say open. Open! Good job! Okay. Mama is opening the ice cream. What's this? Do you know what this is? Alright, so tikman. Paano ba ito kainin?
It's lemon.
Buksan yata dito.
Uh-oh. Sit down, please.
Okay, naglalaway na ako.
It's lemon. Can you say lemon?
Wow!
Can you say lemon?
Do you wanna try first? What's this? It's a? Lemon. Okay, you try first. Mama's gonna help. How's it? Is it good? Okay, Mama's gonna bite on it, ha?
Ano siya? Mo siya ni? Nga siya ikuan? Kaning coating or?
Ano siya coating naman? It's very lemony.
Huh?
Yeah.
Saan naging mo ni? Fruit.
It's good!
Frutai. Frutai.
Bastos pa lang gumawa nito, frutay. Pero alam nyo, in fairness, ang sarap niya.
Frutai.
Lemon talaga siya.
Do you like it? Yeah? You like it?
She doesn't like it. Pero masarap siya mga langga. I love it. Dada. Hindi em.
Gana.
Maasim.
Eh.
It's very lemony. Try natin yung ibang flavors. Ito namang peach. Okay, so this one, ito yung peach na flavor. Oh.
It's called
Ooh.
a peach. Can you say peach?
Smells peach. Okay, tayo yung una titikim.
Peach. Can you
Looks
say
peach. Look at that. Tingnan nyo. Mukha talaga siyang peach. Yeah, it's a peach.
yum, peach?
Kalasa talaga niya yung peach. Kamoy niya yung peach.
Yeah.
Yummy, no?
Mag-peach.
Yeah, peach. Oh, let's taste the peach.
What do you think?
Is it yum?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Is it good? Oh, come on. Peach, yeah. Eat more.
You like it?
Is it good? Is it good? Ito siya.
Peachy, no?
Creamy siya mga langga, no? Yung laman niya is creamy compared dito sa lemon na more on, parang siyang sorbetes, yung texture niya. Ito, creamy. At para talaga siyang peach.
Yum?
Okay. So, tikman naman natin. I-last natin yung ating mango. Ito na muna tayo sa strawberry. So, kung i-convert niyo siya into peso, yung presyo nito nasa 220 pesos.
Kada isa.
Per piece. Kasi 650 nga yung isa. All done. We're not done yet. Oh. This one is a... Good job, strawberry. Okay, Mama's gonna try first.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberry.
Yummy. Is it yummy? Yum yum. More. You want the strawberry?
You
How
like?
is it? Do you like it? Yeah? Okay, Dada. Ganahan siya sa strawberry. So, Baba likes the strawberry compared sa previous two. Is it yummy? You want the strawberry?
Yummy?
Bite on that. Bite on it. Bite. Okay, let's go sa last na flavor, which is yung mango. What's this one? It's a... strawberry. It's a mango. Silly Baba. Look at that. It's a mango. Mango. Yeah, it's a... mango. Alright, let's bite on this.
Dili mango.
Mango. The more you bite it, malasani mo ng mango nga ginapalit na ito. Which one do you like? The strawberry or the mango or the strawberry? Which one you want? This one? How is it? Is it good? Is it yummy? Yum yum. Okay, you want this?
What? Strawberry?
Strawberry or mango? Which one? Can you point to the one that you like? This one? You like this one? Okay. Here you go. You want that one as well?
All done.
Say all done. All done. All done. Good job. You bite into it. So, which one is your favorite bear? Which one is your favorite sa flavors?
Kani. Pero,
Strawberry?
pero ang pinaka-authentic mula sa kani.
So, Mike like the strawberry. Si Baby gusto niya yung strawberry and the mango. I like the strawberry and the lemon. Ito yung dalawang gusto ko. Ito, second na lang. Ito yung difference nila mga langga ng texture. As you can see, this one is more icy. Kumpara dito na creamy siya. Ito siya, para siyang sorbetes. But both yummy.
Na,